Well, guys, I'm really excited for this video because today we're eating a gummy cola. Well, it's not actually what it is. We're actually opening Pokemon, and we're gonna open this for my snack. Gummy cola, you're gonna taste tasty. Whoa! Come out! By the way, I got 8 Pokemon packs, so this one might be good and might be bad. I see my cat. Oh, it smells just like cola, bro. It smells more like diet than normal. Oh. Oh, I can't feel it yet. Oh. It is forever, whether you like it or not. Whoa! Oh, I got my gummy cola out, bro. Look at, guys, look at this thing. Look at this. I'm about to take a bite. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Never thought how gross the top would taste. Ew. I'm taking off that top. Listen, first pack we're opening. It says Squirrel Bar. Look, it's like so you see that? Okay, now I found the actual one right here. Ooh, I wonder what this card's gonna be. Oh yeah, there's more than just one. So we got, for our first one, we got this one. Yep, 80 health. Its first move is called Tackle and it does 30 damage. Okay, second one. We got Magikarp. It does a jump attack, which only does 10 damage. Yeah, it only has 30 health, so that's not very good. Okay, what's the next one? Oh, the next one's the electric type. Yeah. Magnemite. I don't know. Magnemite. Magnetic switch. Switch this Pokemon with one of your bench Pokemons. Okay, one of its attacks are called Electro Ball, which does 10 damage and has 60 health. It's better than the Magikarp guy. Wait, you got a trainer. Energy switch. It says trainer though. It says energy switch. Is that good? I got Hypno. Oh, this guy's good. Dang. Look, okay, so he has 110 health. Podium influence. Flip a coin. If heads, choose an attack from one of your opponent's Pokemon in the play and use it as its attack. And then his attack is called Psychic Sphere and it does 100 damage. That's good. What is this? I got another trainer. It's called Beach Court though for some reason. By the way, this video should get a lot. Sandacana. Oh, this guy's better than the Hypno guy. So one of his, this is what he looks like. Sandaconda. One of his attacks is called Skull Bash, which does 120 damage. That's really good. Another one of its attacks are called Sandstorm Spray. Discard 2 energy from this Pokemon. Okay, that's good. And its weakness is leaf. It's like the grass type. Okay, so if we got this guy and we got Sandacana. Oh, this is second stage of Sandacana. He evolves from Silicroba. I don't know how to say his name. But guys, this is probably going to be like the longest video. It's taking forever to do this. Apparently, the Magnemite guy is weakness to this guy. His weakness is that. Okay, well, next one we got, oh, it's a shiny card. Guys, is this card good? It's shiny, but it's called Squawkabilly. Call of Family is one of it. Okay, this guy isn't that good. Yeah. Call of Family is where you like put 2 down and just shuffle on yours or something. Then its fly attack only does 60 damage. That's a lot, but still. Its weakness to electricity. So yeah, this guy would definitely die by Magnemite. Well, maybe not. Yeah, it's gonna die if this guy goes first. He's gonna die because he has exactly 60 health. Okay, what's our next one? I'm really excited. Ooh! So this guy is a flame type. His name is Houndoom. He evolves from Houndour. He looks really cool, actually. And his weakness is water. Well, yeah, probably. One of his attacks is called Sharp Fang. It only does 30 damage. He has 120 health, but his other attack that's called Fire Blast does 150 damage. So that's really good. So yeah. Oh. I get why he'd do good in like fights, I guess. Okay. This guy doesn't really do that good. This guy's called Cleefkey. This is what he looks like. One of his attacks, he only has 1 attack, and it's called Joust. It only does 10 damage. So he has 70 health. But yeah. Okay. Pretty good. We still got one more after this one. Oh. Okay, so we got a basic energy. So yeah, we didn't do so good on that one. And this is just a code to redeem Pokemon. Yeah, this is just not really a card. You can redeem the code if you want to, sure. We'll do this. Okay, I'm done. Well, so for our next pack, and this pack actually looks really cool, and the next one's actually the exact same thing. Well, it might have different stuff, because not every single thing's gonna have the exact. So it looks pretty cool. It's like a Charmander one. And Charmander has a lot of forms. Ooh! Okay, now, okay. Where's the... Okay, so look. The last package looked like this, but this one looks like this. It looks a lot better. What if I get a Charmander in this? Okay, one sec. By the way, I'm being extra careful while doing this. Whew. What if I just here we go. Okay. This is taking a while. Okay. Here we go. So the first card we have gotten. His name is Bonsley, and he has 30 health, and one of his attacks is Blubbering. Yeah, and it only does 10 damage, so he has 30 health and he only does 10 damage. Is that our worst Pokemon so far? Might be. I see it is. So yeah, I'm gonna just take out the last one because it's just the same thing as that one card. So our next one is called... I've only gotten through one so far.
It's awesome.
Yeah, there's like so much cards in here.
It's awesome.
Yeah, I got like, this one's pretty shiny. I like this one, and that one's also shiny as well. My best one I think is Sandacana. Its last form was Silicobra. Now, guys, the one we got right now is Dolivy. It has 80 health, and it's... Okay, well... He has an attack called Sunday Wind, which is his only attack, and it does 30 damage. Not so good, I'd say. There could be stuff better. Well, there are many stuff better. I feel like our next two are not going to be very good. Which this one wasn't very good. Well, its attack damage isn't very good, but its health, I guess it's kind of good. Okay, so his name is Trumpoli. He has 70 health, and one of his attacks is called Screwtail. It only does 10. But it's actually kind of... Wait, it kind of has an attack on one of our guys. I forgot what our guys... I forgot which one it was. Sarkist. Ooh. Oh, I accidentally grabbed two. I'm gonna tell you the ones I got. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna show you guys that one next. So one of them I got is well, obviously it's basic, but one of them I got is Surskit, which has 60 health, and one of its attacks are called Lunge, and it does 20 damage. That, I bet it could kill Trumpoli. Yeah, Trumpoli. Okay. Oh wait, yeah, I gotta show you the electricity one I got. But look at this, guys. His name is Electros. His name is Electros. He has 160 health, and he evolved from Electrix. Oh, okay, so he only has one attack, and it's called Headbolt, which does 130 damage. That's pretty good. If he got hit by that though, he still wouldn't die, but it still would do a lot of damage. Next one we got is Bronzong. Has 140 health and evolves from Bronzor. One of its attacks are called Okalor Press and it does 20 damage. Another one does 70. I don't know how to say that. Atrasasaur. This one is called Flamingo, which is just a normal flamingo. Oh yeah, okay. And he has 120 health. One of his attacks are called Peak and does 20 damage. The other one's called Sensum Feathers, which does 60. Okay. Man, we gotta put these all in a pile. Got to do that. Whoa. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna show you that in a second, because I gotta show my mom that before I show you guys this. Mom, look at this.
Oh, that one's cool.
Yeah. It's like pretty cool, isn't it?
That's neat.
Yeah, I haven't showed them that yet, though.
Ortega.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta get all of these back in. Gosh, guys. Man, if I just showed you my best cards, if I just opened all these and showed you my best cards I got, that'd be a lot faster, but a little more boring. Because you want to know all the cards I get, because all the cards be good.
Is that all just one package?
Huh?
Is that all just one package?
All of the cards that I'm grabbing?
Yeah. That
Well,
you've already done.
Yeah, all of these that I've already done have been like 2 packages. Well, 1 package. And I got like 8, so this is going to be a while.
Well, maybe you should split it up into multiple videos so it's not so long.
Yeah, I'll do
So,
that.
Stop the video.
Right now?
Yeah.
This is pretty short though.
Well, I saw that it was 12 minutes.
17 actually.
Okay. Well, finish the package that you just opened if you haven't finished it, and then stop it, and then do another one. And then upload them in like a series.
Yeah, like a series.
Let's see what you got so far.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Yeah,
Let me see.
you can look at them. Just put them back. Okay, so the next card we got is a Basic Energy, which is a flame.
You got some good shit, babe.
The next one is called Skillowavette.
My girlfriend says she misses you.
Okay.
Make sure you got that on your YouTube video.
What?
So make sure you got that on your YouTube video.
Okay, it is on my YouTube video. One of its attacks are called Gentle Slap, which only does 10 damage, but he has 60 health. I guess that's good. Yeah. And the next one, it looks really cool, but I'm gonna show like the best that I've gotten so far next. So this is one of them.
Do you want anything to eat?
I ate dinner, but
I'm gonna make hamburger.
huh?
I'm gonna make me a hamburger.
I guess maybe just like half.
Just half of one?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna give you half a hamburger, Ashley.
Okay.
You'll get a full one. If you eat half, you eat the other half after school.
Okay. We're for school. So this guy's called NT. He has 130 health. One of his attacks are called Blaze Ball, which is 60 damage. Well, 20 damage, but 60 plus it. So that's 80 damage. First one I was seeing that had 80 damage. Now this is the best I've gotten so far. I gotta show you this. It's a supporter and it's called Ortega. Look. Ortega, and he's like a trainer. He looks really cool. Is this really good? Because I hope it is. He looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in the thing I got. Okay, well, this is the last one we're opening until we do part 2. Ooh, look. Okay, so look what it looks like on the outside. So it looks like this on the outside, yeah, but then it looks like this on the inside. Well, on the inside of this. Now, what does it actually look on the inside? Okay. Ooh, good. First one I've seen so far, it's not so good. Ooh, whoa, okay. Okay, so the first one we got is Battle Toy. Has 70 health, and one of his attacks is called Wrap and Spin. That only does 10 damage. And by the way, the next one's called Carvanha, which has 50 health, and one of his attacks is called Sharp Fang, his only attack, and it does 20 damage. Next one. Oh, I've actually seen this on a McDonald's commercial. Lee Chonk. He has 60 health, and one of his attacks is called Tackle, his only attack, and it does 20 damage. I see something that actually is scaring me right now. It's a rainbow. I haven't seen what it actually is. Okay, another guy's called Fungus, only has 50 health, and one of its attacks is called Beat, and it does 20 damage. Okay. Oh, this is Eevee. It's one of his This is his psychic evolution. So look, it evolves from Eevee, and then it evolves into Espeon. It has 110 health, and one of its attacks is called Psychic Assault. And it's a 30 plus, so right here it says 10 more damage, so it's 30 plus 10, 40. And then another one's called Facade Bolt. It does 60 damage. That's pretty good. Ooh, okay, I like this one that I've seen so far. It actually looks really cool. It's like a shark. His name is Sharpedo. Wow. And he evolves from Carvanha? Didn't we have Carvanha? Wait. But let me look at this. Didn't we just get Carvanha? Yeah. Yeah, it's right here. Look. Okay, so we got Sharpedo, and he evolves from Carvanha. And look, I have Carvanha right here. So I guess we just got, I think, maybe a full evolution. And now our next one is named Rhyme. It's a woman. It's a trainer. So yeah, it doesn't really have any attacks, because trainers don't have any attacks. They just are what has the Pokemon. Ooh. Next one is called Shazlee. And it has 120 health. It evolves from Chandelier. I don't know if I have a Chandelier. I don't think I do. But it also, one of its attacks is called Suffocating Gas, and it has 40 attack damage. Another one's called Gentle Slap, which isn't very gentle because it does 70 damage. What if I did like 1 billion damage? That'd be crazy. Oop. Yeah. The next one is called a basic energy. It's not the last one though. The next one is Darkery. Has 120 health and 130 health, and one of its attacks is called Dark Somber, which does 20 damage. Wow, another one called Dark Cyclone, which does 120 damage. Wow, that's really good. What's our next one? Oh, that's all of them. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. Let's see how much we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've only went through 2. It took me 26 minutes and 7 seconds to get through that. Wow, that's crazy. But by the way, part 2 is gonna be maybe crazier.